welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick by Ulta Beauty. If you do want to see a review and a demo, please keep watching. As many of you guys might already know, Ulta Beauty is currently carrying Kylie Cosmetics lip kits. They do have some of her eyeshadow palettes, her highlighters, a bunch of her things in store already. When I did walk into Ulta, I did see this at the front and I was like, oh my goodness, I wanted to purchase that lip kit because it was exclusively sold at Ulta Beauty. Here's what the lip kit does look like. It does say Kylie Cosmetics. It does have this black matte packaging, which she did change her packaging, I think, just for Ulta Beauty. At the top, it does say Ulta Beauty. Let's open this up. This does retail for $29 at Ulta. When you do open up the packaging, you do get Kylie's lip liner, and then you do have the matte liquid lipstick. Let's go ahead and swatch both of these. The shade is supposed to be a warm, rosy mauve shade. Ooh, that is very creamy, and I barely touched it. I love Kylie Cosmetics lip liner. I love her matte liquid lipsticks as well. As you guys know, I have a ton of her lip products. So now we're just going to be swatching the shade in Ulta Beauty. This is the matte liquid lipstick. I really wish that they would have come up with a different name than Ulta Beauty. Here we have both the matte liquid lipstick and the lip liner. So let's see what this looks like applied on the lips. First things first, I am going to be lining my lips with the lip liner. This is very creamy, her lip liner, and it is very pigmented. I just decided to fill in my entire lip with the lip liner. Now we're going to be applying the matte liquid lipstick. I'm just curious to see what it smells like. It does have the same scent as all of her matte liquid lipsticks do. It does have that slight vanilla scent. I thought it would be different. I'm actually curious to see if it's the exact same formula as her original matte liquid lipstick. Now I feel like Kylie Cosmetics isn't really hyped. Nobody really talks about Kylie Cosmetics anymore. Let's go ahead and apply the shade in Ulta Beauty. I really do love this rose mauve shade. It does complement my skin complexion. As you guys know, I love Kylie Cosmetics matte liquid lipsticks. I love her formula. It's very long lasting on the lips. It does kind of dry out your lips a little bit. I would highly recommend you guys exfoliating your lips before applying Kylie Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick. So here's a close-up of what the matte liquid lipstick does look like. The matte liquid lipstick did completely dry down, so I am going to be doing a kiss test on the back of my hand just to show you guys that this matte liquid lipstick is very long lasting. Apparently, this formula sold at Ulta Beauty is a very different formula. This is actually interesting, you guys, because normally Kylie's matte liquid lipsticks, they don't transfer at all. So I believe she might have changed the formula because it doesn't feel too drying on my lips. Now, of course, we are going to be doing a wet swatch of the matte liquid lipstick versus the dry swatch. Here we have a dry down version of the matte liquid lipstick in Ulta Beauty, and I'm just going to be doing a wet swatch to see if it's the same shade. Ooh, actually no. It dries down quite darker. If you guys are interested in seeing a video on me swatching some of her original matte liquid lipstick versus some of the original shades that she does carry at Ulta Beauty, let me know in the comments down below if you guys are interested in seeing that video, or if you guys just don't care at all. Let me know anyways. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.